I tried daily YouTube uploads for 30 days, and in this video, I'm going to break it down just to show you whether it was worth it or not. It is a question that I do hear a lot. How often should I upload to YouTube? Should it be monthly uploads, weekly uploads, or even daily uploads? Well, about a year ago, I actually conducted this experiment. I wanted to see the effect that daily uploads would have on my YouTube channel, and I did this every single day for 30 days. And I wanted to wait another 12 months to actually make this video so I could actually report on the initial findings and any impact this has had on my channel over time. So in this video, I'm going to unpack everything that happened initially after I uploaded those 30 videos every single day. And the impact actually surprised me quite a bit. It wasn't what I expected. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a bit more understanding of the impact this could have on your YouTube channel. And stick around to the end because I will be sharing my 3 top tips if you are looking to do a series of 30 days or daily uploads on your channel, a foolproof system on how to actually make this happen and publish every single day. So in order for me to share all of my findings, I'm going to dive just straight on over into my YouTube channel. So here we are inside my YouTube channel, and I'm just going to scroll back a year's worth of content, and you can see here I decided to do a 30-day sprint on Kajabi. Kajabi is the platform that I know and love and that I've built my entire online business on. So I decided to do 30 days with Kajabi. Now you can actually scroll down all of my videos and you can see where these started and you can see where they finished. One video every single day. You can also, if you're having a look at my playlists, you can also see playlists. So it's a really good idea if you are doing like 30 days or you're going to do a sprint, actually put it into a playlist so people can go from one to the next. So here is the entire playlist, and I've actually named it 0 to Kajabi Hero, a free 30-day program. So if you are just going to try 30 days, put it into a series and actually think of it like creating another product. This is a free product. You're just going to put it out on YouTube for people to consume for free. So if you're doing anything like this, like putting a series together, I would always think of your strategy. What is your main strategy? So what I wanted to do in this series was take people by the hand every day, drop a new video on how to use the Kajabi platform. So I've gone from very, very broad. What is Kajabi? What is the platform? And then I'm going deep into each functionality. So how to create a landing page, how to create a lead magnet, how to do email marketing, all with this platform. So I cover a lot of the functions in this 30 days. And my aim was to actually get really specific on which keywords I wanted to use and try and rank for in this 30-day challenge. And it might help you to actually break your content down into topics. So then you can actually extract out of those topics what you're going to talk about and then extract the keywords that you want to rank for. But I'm just going to dive into my YouTube studio. And within the studio, I'm going to show you a little bit about the results or even the challenges. So if we go into content and then if we go into playlists, and then we can actually see I've got a bunch of playlists and the 0 to Kajabi Hero program here. This was the free videos. So I do see a lot of people try and put 30-day challenges together, 60-day challenges, whatever it may be. And the real challenge for the creator is I see a lot of people not finishing. So they'll start with day 1, day 2, day 3, and then maybe day 4 in a couple of days after. But then they actually start to tail off or they don't complete putting their 30 days together. Now, the way I actually did this is I batched recorded all 30-day videos. I actually scripted it out. I had a strategy. I planned it, all the keywords I wanted to hit, and I batch recorded all of these videos. Yes, it did take me a while, but I didn't then hit publish until I batch recorded all of them. So that means I'm not starting to publish a 30-day program until I finish recording the 30-day program. So there's not going to be any tail off. You're going to get all of them every single day. And that way you can actually schedule it. So this was last year in the month of October. I didn't have to create any more content. Then once it was done, I created this in actually August or September and then scheduled it out. So it just drip fed every single day for every day of October. So to get to the question, was this actually worth it then? If I was to go into the analytics and let's have a look at lifetime, you can see here, I wanted to try and get views. So as soon as I actually started releasing these in the month of October 2023, started to get traction and a bit of views. Now this was because the videos were ranking, people were actually discovering them. As they were searching for Kajabi specific keywords, then the videos would rank. But I wanted to understand whether this would have an impact initially on the growth of my channel and then actually an impact overall. So first of all, I just wanted to highlight the fact that I wanted to look at the total views compared to the views from each playlist. So I just come down here and I've just sorted by total views. So this is the most popular video. So how to build a Kajabi website from scratch, full walkthrough. So to date, this has had 1,412 views, which is great. But actually the views from the playlist, 121 only. And again, if you look down to the second most watched video in this playlist, it's a Kajabi membership site examples to inspire your next project. Only 14 views are from people actually watching the playlist. And I've got over 1,000 views all time. So this right here tells me that although my intent was to create a 30-day playlist for people to actually binge and go through from 0 to hero, from like 1 to 30, not many people at all are actually watching this playlist sequentially. So watching one after the other. But they are seeing videos pop up like 1s and 2s here and there if it's keyword rich and they discover it. And then again, over 1,000 people have watched individual videos of this playlist. So just have a think about if your overall goal is to create a bingeable playlist, this actually hasn't happened for me. So at this stage, I was probably asking myself, is this actually worth it? Because I wasn't seeing anyone go through all the way and watching every single video in that 30 days. So let's zoom out a little bit now, and I'm going to go all the way to the overall impact that it's had on my channel. So I'm going to look at everything over, let's look at 2023 because this is when this was published. And let's have a look. This was, you can see a little bit here, an uptick in some of the views. This is what we were going for in the month of October, but then you can actually see a downturn as well. So if I was to go into, let's go to lifetime, and you can actually see this a little bit better here. So I've got, this is the lifetime watch time of my channel, gaining some traction over the first year. And then as you can see here, it does go up in the month of October. You can see a certain shift of watch time going up. And that makes sense because I'm actually publishing once a day. I usually publish typically once a week, but as I'm publishing once a day, there's going to be more watch time on the channel. But as you can see here, as soon as I stop producing or publishing a video every day, I go back to the once a week schedule, then you can see that the watch time decreases. So if I just take the cursor away from here, you can see this area here. So November and December, it actually decreases. So you could say that this might have had a negative effect on this channel, but then again, it does pick up. But that's just looking at the algorithms, potentially looking at my rhythm of publishing one a day, and then I stop publishing one a day. So then it may be penalizing me for not publishing one a day. So the last 30 days are going to be worse than the previous 30 days. But as you get past those 30 days and then 60 days, it then starts to pick back up. So just have a think about that. The initial results from creating a video every day for 30 days was after that 30 days was a downturn in my overall watch time. But overall, looking at the 2 years I've been creating content, the impact that it has had on my channel, it's allowed me to have an inject of 30 videos in that month of October last year. And that has increased some watch time overall, and it's increased the amount of engagement I'm getting specifically on Kajabi related videos. And again, my secondary effect was putting out 30 days on Kajabi and actually promoting the Kajabi platform. And I have had a few more people sign up using my partner link. So again, think about the strategy of actually creating your content, how many videos you're going to do, how frequently, what is the actual aim of that piece of content, but are you then sending them back to your website or sharing or promoting an affiliate link so you can actually get the benefit off the back of those 30 days. So if you are thinking about publishing daily videos, just don't publish daily videos that aren't good quality. They still need to add value, help your audience, and then lead people, if they want to work with you or want to know a little bit more about anything that you're saying, you can signpost them for that really simple next step. Now, the 3 things that actually made this a overall success, in my opinion, is the way I created the content. So a foolproof method of creating content, 3 easy steps. Have a strategy. So you want to have a strategy in knowing what you're creating. So don't just create anything and put it up. Actually plan it out before. Second is record and edit everything, batch record, before you publish your first video. This will stop you from failing. This will stop you from tailing off after the 3rd or 4th video, which I see so many people doing. And the 3rd thing is use the scheduling tool. So have them all scheduled out, and then you can drip feed it, or you could publish them as the month goes on. So you don't have to be there every single day publishing at the same time. Use the YouTube scheduling function so you can set the publication dates as soon as you upload each video. So that's it. Hopefully this video has given you a bit more insight whether you should be creating daily videos or not. But I would say try and create or try and adhere to a rhythm that works for you. I have stuck with my non-negotiable is 1 video a week. I am testing here and there. I have done another 10-day series this year. And again, I'm closely monitoring the results of that. So have a think about how frequently it works for you. But if you are going to be batching or creating videos once a day for 30 days, then hopefully this video has given you some insights of what to do and what to avoid. But growing a YouTube channel is only half the battle. If you are trying to build a business off the back of your YouTube channel, I have something for you. I have a free workshop. It's on demand, totally free. Head to timpeakman.com/workshop. You can opt in today and get access, where I walk and talk you through what I would do 1st, 2nd, and 3rd to make your first $1,000 or £1,000 of online revenue. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/workshop. Opt in, get free access to that on-demand training today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.